Good morning students. Today we are starting with exercise 7.3. In 7.3 they have given you triangle ABC isosceles and BCD isosceles. AB is equal to AC, BD is equal to CD, and if I have to prove these two triangle congruent, so I can say AD is common. AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, BD is equal to CD, given both the things are given to you, and AD is equals to AD, that is common, which means triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC by SSS. What is the benefit? I can take it out. I can say this triangle BAD, blue one, is equal to blue one, and ABD, this black one, is equal to black one. I repeat, blue one is equal to blue one, black one is equal to black one. If I add these two, so I can get red one is equal to red one, which is BAD. This plus this is equal to this, this plus this is equal to this. I hope exterior angle sum property we can apply using exterior angle sum property. Now I have to do the congruency for ABP, bade wale triangles, ABP and ACP. So AB is equal to AC, AP is equal to AP. This was given, this is common, and BAP, this blue angle, is equal to CAP. Just proved the triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP by side angle side. Now these two things, which angle? Red angle and red angle, blue angle and blue angle, they said कि AP bisect angle A and angle D. AP bisect angle A and angle D. Now the rest, the third last thing, I have to prove this. Both the things, AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. If these two triangles are congruent, so BP is equal to CP, CPC. And this angle is equal to this angle. Ultimately, both this angle are equal to 180. BPA and CPA, the sum of these two, here this one and this one, is equal to 180. 2 times BPA is 180, or BPA is 180 upon 2, or BPA is 90 degree. So I can say BP is equal to CP and BPA is 90, which means AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. Thank you very much.